Hello everyone, good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to say thank you for your attention and I'd like to introduce myself first. My name is Intan Istiantika and I am student of nurse of Aisyah Bandung University. And Today, I want to do my task to explain tips and tricks for listening part A, skill 1 until 3 in TOEFL. My presentation is less 50 minutes. Then let's start our lesson with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For the first, listening part A. The first, focus on the second line. Second, keep in mind that the correct answer is probably a restatement of the keyword in the second line of the conversation. The third, keep in mind the certain structure and expression are tested regularly in listening part A. Listen to those structure and expression. The fourth, if you don't understand the complete conversation, you can find the correct answer. And if you only understood a few words or ideas in the second line, choose the answer that contains a restatement of those words or ideas. And if you do not understand anything it at all in the second line of the conversation, choose the answer that sound the most different from what you heard. In the listening part A, we have three skill. Um, One is statement, two negative, three suggestion, four is passive, five is consultation about who and where, and the last is expression of agreement. So thus are some tips and strategies for listening part A. Now let's just move and start the discussion about skill 1 until 3, listening on TOEFL. On the skill 1 is restatement. The best strategy, just answer with restatement. As you listen to the second line of the conversation, you should focus on the key ideas in the line. If you see a restatement of the key idea in a particular answer, then you have probably found the correct answer. Do not just answer with words that sound similar to the words on the recording. Avoid similar sounding words. Listen, spell the word you heard. And I have a example for this skill. For example, woman and man. Woman, what do you like about your new house? And the man answered, it's very close to the park. Narrator, what does the man mean? We have A, the house is closed up now. And B, he parked his car close to his house. C, his home is near a park. And D, he doesn't really like his new house. And the answer is C, because we see that the synonym of very close is near. Because the answer is this part, we have find the synonym for the word. And let's discuss about skill 2. Under skill 2 is negative statement. The most common kind of correct response to a negative statement is positive statement. Contain a word with an opposite meaning. So in this skill we must know the sentence is negative or positive. If the sentence is negative, then the answer is positive and vice versa. And we have a sample for this skill. Example, man and woman. Man, have you ever come early for class? And the woman say, at no time have I ever come to class on time. Narrator, what does the woman mean? We have A, she has no time to come to class, and B, she doesn't attend the class, and C, she come to class early every once and a while. And the last D, she always come to class late. The answer is D because woman said, at no time have I ever come to class on time. It means she come late. And let's move to skill 3. On the skill 3 or suggestion. Those are three suggestion expression. One let's, two why not, and three you'd better. And we have example for this skill. For example, man, the weather so beautiful today, and the woman say, let's walk to school instead of driving. Narrator, what does the woman guess? A. Taking the car to the school. B. Taking a walk instead of going to school. C. Going for a drive in the beautiful weather. And D. Walking to class. And the answer is D. Here we have focus on the second line. The second line, the woman suggests walk to the school instead of driving. So here it's clear that the answer is D. And Alhamdulillah ya Rabbil Alamin. I think that's enough for me to explain about listening part A, skill 1 until 3. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully, it can be useful and help you understand what material I have explained. For the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.